I know you've heard a lot about the importance of oranges in your diet and its benefits to your overall health. But did you know orange peels are not just waste? They are packed with lots of nutrients and they can be one game changer for your hair growth routine. So join me in this video as I take you through how to incorporate orange peels in your hair care routine. From preventing hair loss to enhancing shine, discover how to make the most use of orange peels in your hair care routine. Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So before we jump right into the video, I just want to talk a little about the benefits of using orange peels on your hair. So as I said before, there are so many benefits as to using these orange peels on your hair, but I just want to go, touch a little bit on some of the benefits. So firstly, orange peels help to strengthen the hair follicles. Hair follicles are, little like structures that surround the hair strand or our scalp, like the root of the hair. So this orange peels contains antioxidants that helps to strengthen these follicles to enable hair growth. Secondly, orange peel acts as a natural cleanser for the scalp. So you see, it removes excess oil and product builds up. It leaves the scalp fresh and healthy. So this prevents scalp-related issues like clogged hair follicles and irritation, which can also lead to dryness in the hair, and this is not something we want. As orange peels helps to cleanse the scalp, this in turn reduces dandruff. So orange peels have antifungal properties that help combat dandruff and dry scalp conditions. Using orange peel for your hair provides a natural shine. It does this by smoothing the hair cuticles, making the strands softer and less prone to frizz. So orange peel can leave your hair looking glossy and well nourished. In summary, the vitamins and antioxidants in orange peel stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. So regular use of orange peel treatments can strengthen the hair follicles, reduce hair fall, and encourage thicker and healthier hair. Yay! Now we are done with looking at the benefits of orange peels. Let's get into the video proper. So now you can see I've gotten my orange peels. I've peeled my oranges, and these are the peels. Mind you, you have to wash your orange first before you peel it, so as to get rid of pesticide and germs, and all those bits. So now I've put the orange peels in the bowl. I'm also going to get some warm water. I won't call it hot, but warm. Let's say the temperature should be about 60-70 degrees. We don't want it too hot so it doesn't destroy the vitamins in the orange peels. So I'm going to pour it into the bowl, as you can see, the bowl that contains the orange peel, as you can see in this video. And now what we are going to do with this is to let this sit overnight. Next, I'm going to cover it up with a cling film, as you can see in the video. Ensure it is covered properly. Once I have ensured that it is covered properly, I'm going to let this sit overnight and let the vitamins seep properly into the water. I'm going to keep this shielded away from sunlight.
The next day.
Hello guys, welcome back. So we can see here that we've allowed this to sip overnight, and now what we're going to do is to take off the cling film and sieve these peels so that we can get our orange peel water. Okay, our orange peel water is ready. I mean, look at this, beautiful color we've gotten, and this is packed with so many nutrients and vitamins that your hair is going to love. So I recommend that you use this, for 2 to 3 months so that you can get, amazing results. And you can use this as a daily spray, that's daily leave-in spray. You can also use it as a final rinse after you've shampooed your hair. And when you use it, you try and massage your scalp to stimulate blood circulation and hair growth. So this and many more is one of the wonderful uses of this orange peel water that we've gotten.